back again to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and then turn on post notification bell so that when I upload any video you will get notified. In today's video I'm about to do a press on nails, but the press on nails is going to be done on my sister. She can decide to take it out anytime and then she can reuse the nails. Okay, so this gel, I got it on Amazon. So these are the gels the gel that I'm going to use to do the nails. I'm only going to use two colors from it. Just I need the black and the nude color. Okay, so guys, just stick around, watch the video and enjoy it. At the end of the video you guys are going to see what I came up with. For this gel, I'm going to put the link in my description box. If you guys want it, you can just click on the link. It's going to take you directly to Amazon and then you can buy it. Okay, when you get to Amazon, they have a lot of different gel polish that you would love, but I decided to use this one because I just wanted to try it. I just wanted to try this type of gel and it came out really nice, and it came with that brush. So when you order it, it's going to come with the brush. Okay, those are the stuff I'm going to be using to do the nails. I have the nails that I also got on Amazon. I have those charms from Amazon also. I have the rhinestone, but the rhinestone is from Shein. That's the blooming gel and the gel and also the brush. Okay, those are the stuff I'm going to be using to do these nails. So that's how the gel is looking inside. That's the nude color. I call it nude. I don't know if it's nude. It could look like nude and pink, something like that. And that's the black that I'm going to be using. As for the white, I changed my mind, so I'm going to be using this white. This is my white gel liner, also from Amazon. But this is my new gel polish top coat, which is from eBay. And that lastly is my brush. So I'm just going to push back the cuticle areas, and then after pushing back the cuticle areas, I'll go with my cuticle drip bit to walk around the cuticle areas also, and then I'll go in with my sanding bands to take out all the excess shine from my nails. So I'm going to be using base coat to stick the nails on the nails, to stick the first nails on the actual nails. Guys, I don't know what I'm saying because I just woke up. I'm kind of tired. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. That's my matte cat base coat, and that's my mini nail lamp that I also got on Amazon. So I'm just going to apply the full nails on her and make sure it's well lined up, okay, on her nails to fit perfectly, because it's a press on nails. And then I went ahead and cut the nails. After cutting the nails, I'm just going in with my hand file to shape the nails. Okay, she wanted a square, not a coffin, so I'm going to give her a square shape. Yeah, so I'm going to apply the gel on all the nails. It was kind of light, so I applied 3 layers, 3 coats to the nails. And then, but for this first one, I applied it and then I cured for 30 seconds. I didn't cure it for 60 seconds. I cured it for 30 seconds. So I'm just going to apply it on all the nails and then I'll cure it for 30 seconds. If you know at this time you are still watching my videos but you have not subscribed, please go and hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification bell so that when I upload any video you will get notified. Please support my channel, always come back to watch. If there's anything I'm not doing right, put it down in the comment section, I'll fix it. Okay, so I'm just applying the colors on the nails and then I'll catch for 30 seconds. So I applied 3 layers of this gel to the nails because it was kind of light, and then now I'm going in with my my black just to give it a V French tip, but it's gonna be a black V French tip. So after doing that, I'll also cut for 30 seconds, and then I'll apply the second layer because for the black it was really pigmented. I only applied 2 layers to the nails. So guys, whenever you are doing this line for the V French tip, you need to be very careful so that when you cut the line, it's equal to the other side. You can see how I'm doing it. You can, you're still gonna clean some of the some of the gel anyways, but you just have to be very careful. So that was what I did. I was very careful. Then I applied the black on all the nails. So it's time to apply the blooming gel. Yeah, that's the blooming gel. So I'm just gonna apply a very minimal blooming gel to the side that I want it to bloom. And then after doing that, you don't cure it because you need a liquid. So I'll apply the white liner to the space that I put the blooming gel. Okay, so and then after doing that, you now cure it for 60 seconds. Cure it for 60 seconds because it's kind of thick, so you want it to really dry up very good. So guys, when using blooming gel, it spreads really fast after applying whatever color you are applying. So the same way I did the middle finger, that was the same way I did the thumb. So I didn't really film that, I just edited it out because it's the same way. And now I'm going to apply another white to the pinky and just to have a good smile line. And then I'll apply, I did a smiling face. I think this is called a smiley face on the ring finger. This is a press on nails. You can actually do it. You don't necessarily need to do this design. You can do it and then take it out anytime you're going out. You just use your glue to glue it on. Okay, that was why I did it on my sister. But you can actually do another press on nails through that will be another video. Okay guys, I'm gonna do another video on how to do a press on nails even though you don't want to do it on yourself. So I'm just gonna apply the rhinestone on the nails, and that's the rhinestone gel, and then I'm gonna put as much rhinestone that can fit that place. So that was what I did. those are the charms I'm going to be using. I'm going to apply my rhinestone gel on the back of the charms, then I'll place the charms on the nails, and then I'll use my mini lamp to cure it. Okay. So that's my NotPolish gloss set. So it's my top coat. I'm just gonna apply it on all the nails, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. So now I'm gonna apply my bombshell oil, cuticle oil on all the nails. This is the finished look of these beautiful nails. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.